All right, so this is an Aqua Suite, room 3003. All right, when you first walk in to the left, there is a half bath, double sink. And then you have your closets here, an espresso machine, snacks, safe, and mini bar. Right to my left, there's a little area for dining, a little sitting area, wet bar. So again, plenty of space, a little seating area over there, TV, king size bed. Then into the bathroom, you have this gorgeous soaking tub, double sinks, molten brown products, shower, a rain shower head, again molten brown products, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toilet, and then more closet space over here. And then the other one is the same thing, so it's pretty much just his and hers. Again, king size bed, a second TV, and this view cannot be beat. You have a little dining table, 2 chase lounge. This pool, the first pool you see right there is going to be the swim-up bar, more of a party pool. And then these pools over here are a little quieter. So here, again, is the Aqua Suite 3003. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or shoot me an email, memoriesandmojitos@gmail.com.